So today I'm about to show you how to use Claude to connect with Shopify. First, download and open the official Claude desktop, as native database connections cannot be configured through a standard web browser. Once logged in, navigate the bottom left corner, click on your profile name and select Connectors. From the approved app directory, locate Shopify and click the Connect button. A window will pop up asking for your store's credentials. Enter your primary Shopify store URL. Next, you will be prompted to choose Claude's system permission levels. Set the access controls to ask for permissions before actions, rather than granting full automation. This ensures you maintain full human oversight before the AI modifies any live data. Click Authorize, and a browser window will briefly open to authenticate the secure connection between Anthropic and your store database. Pro tip: if you are a developer looking to build teams or run advanced book operations, do not use the basic desktop connector. Instead, open your terminal and leverage the official open source Shopify AI toolkit released by Shopify. And that's it. That's how to use Claude to connect with Shopify, and this helped you out. Make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.